Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V11. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson V11 is losing suction, it can be quite frustrating. This issue typically occurs due to a blockage or a worn-out filter, which prevents the vacuum from functioning effectively. If left unattended, it may lead to further damage and ultimately a more expensive repair. To fix this issue, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement filter, and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, ensure your Dyson V11 is turned off and unplugged from any power source. Begin by locating the screws on the back of the device. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully remove these screws. Make sure to keep them in a safe place so you don't lose any. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the back cover off to expose the internal components. Now, you will want to locate the filter, which is usually situated near the motor. Inspect it for any signs of wear or blockages. If it appears dirty or damaged, it's time to replace it. To do this, simply twist it counterclockwise to remove it from its housing. Take your new filter and insert it by twisting it clockwise until it's securely in place. Make sure it fits snugly to avoid any further suction issues. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the new filter is installed, take a moment to clean any dust or debris from the surrounding area using your soft cloth. Then, replace the back cover by aligning it correctly and securing it with the screws you previously removed. Tighten the screws firmly, but be cautious not to over-tighten, as this could damage the screws or the casing. Now, plug your Dyson V11 back in and turn it on to test the suction. You should notice a significant improvement. To prevent your Dyson V11 from losing suction in the future, make it a habit to clean or replace the filter every few months, depending on usage. Additionally, regularly check for blockages in the hose and ensure the dust canister is emptied frequently. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.